Hi, I'm Dari Frants, and I'll show you today how to divide 3D object into separate parts in Blender. Okay, this is our Blender project, and this is our cube, which is actually 3D object. So let us zoom in a little bit and let's divide it. Okay, so firstly I will go to gizmos and I will add move gizmo. Okay, now let's change object mode to edit mode and let's choose edge select mode and choose this edge, and I'm holding shift and this edge. By the way, let me choose this viewport shading, everything to be visible better, and let's tap Ctrl R, and now I can see the plane which will divide our cube into two separate parts, and we can move this plane. I'm holding left click of my mouse, upper, down. Let's place it somewhere here. Okay, now I will do left click of my mouse and hold it, and now I can see that part is selected, but it's not selected well because you see this edge is included, all of it, which is not good. So let's do it one more time. Now it's better. Okay, let's do right click this area and choose from the list separate selection. Okay, now let's change viewport shading and change edit mode to object mode, and I clicked over our part and let's move it. You see, they are two separate parts. We did it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye.